तुमने मेरी मदद करके सच में बहुत अच्छा काम किया। You really did a good thing by helping me. You really did a good thing by helping me. यह काम पूरा करने में थोड़ा समय लगेगा। It will take some time to finish this work. It will take some time to finish this work. अभी मुझे उससे मिलना जरूरी है। I need to meet him right now. I need to meet him right now. मैं तुम्हें बार बार क्यों समझाऊं? Why should I explain it to you again and again? Why should I explain it to you again and again? तुमने इतनी जल्दी फैसला कैसे ले लिया? How did you make the decision so quickly? How did you make the decision so quickly? तुम ये बात किसी को मत बताना। Please don't tell this to anyone. Please don't tell this to anyone. मुझे नहीं पता था कि तुम आओगे। I did not know you were going to come. I did not know you were going to come. तुम बार बार एक ही गलती क्यों करते हो? Why do you repeat the same mistake again and again? Why do you repeat the same mistake again and again? मैंने उसे पहले ही बता दिया था। I had already told him. I had already told him. तुम कब से यहाँ इंतज़ार कर रहे हो? How long have you been waiting here? How long have you been waiting here? मुझे नहीं लगता यह अच्छा विचार है। I don't think this is a good idea. I don't think this is a good idea. मैंने तुम्हारी बात पूरी सुनी है। I have listened to everything you said. I have listened to everything you said. क्या तुम मुझे थोड़ी जगह दे सकते हो? Can you give me some space? Can you give me some space? मुझे उस पर भरोसा करने में दिक्कत हो रही है। I am finding it hard to trust him. I am finding it hard to trust him. तुमने ये बात मुझसे क्यों छुपाई? Why did you hide this from me? Why did you hide this from me? मैं जितना हो सके उतना जल्दी आ जाऊंगा। I will come as early as possible. I will come as early as possible. तुम मुझे बीच में क्यों टोक देते हो? Why do you interrupt me in between? Why do you interrupt me in between? मुझे तुमसे एक छोटी सी मदद चाहिए। I need a small favor from you. I need a small favor from you. क्या तुमने उसे सब साफ-साफ समझाया? Did you explain everything clearly to him? Did you explain everything clearly to him? मुझे नहीं पता तुम इतना तनाव क्यों ले रहे हो। I don't know why you are taking so much stress. I don't know why you are taking so much stress. तुम्हें ये फैसला सोच समझकर लेना चाहिए। You should take this decision wisely. You should take this decision wisely. मैं किसी पर दबाव नहीं डालना चाहता। I don't want to put pressure on anyone. I don't want to put pressure on anyone. तुमने मेरे संदेश का जवाब क्यों नहीं दिया? Why did not you reply to my message? Why did not you reply to my message? मैं कल तुम्हें मिलने आऊँगा। I will come to meet you tomorrow. I will come to meet you tomorrow. क्या तुमने उससे ठीक तरह बात की? Did you talk him properly? Did you talk to him properly? मुझे ये काम अकेले नहीं करना है। I don't want to do this work alone. I don't want to do this work alone. तुमने इतने पैसे खर्च क्यों किए? Why did you spend so much money? Why did you spend so much money? मैंने उसे बिल्कुल साफ-साफ कह दिया। I told him very clearly. I told him very clearly. तुम मुझसे ये बात छुपा क्यों रहे हो? Why are you hiding this from me? Why are you hiding this from me? मुझे लगता है तुम सही हो. I think you are right. I think you are right. मैं अभी थोड़ी देर में वापस आऊँगा. I will be back in a while. I will be back in a while. क्या तुमने दरवाज़ा ठीक से लॉक किया? Did you lock the door properly? Did you lock the door properly? तुम इतने चुप क्यों हो आज? Why are you so quiet today? Why are you so quiet today? मुझे तुम्हें कुछ ज़रूरी दिखाना है. I need to show you something important. I need to show you something important. मैंने उसे कई बार कोशिश करते देखा. I have seen him trying many times. I have seen him try many times. क्या तुम ये साफ कर सकते हो? Can you clean this up? Can you clean this up? मैं थोड़ा बाहर टहलने जा रहा हूँ. I am going out for a walk. I am going out for a walk. तुमने मेरी फाइल कहाँ रखी है? Where have you kept my file? Where have you kept my file? मुझे उसे कुछ कहने में हिचकिचाहट हो रही है. I feel hesitant to say something to him. I feel hesitant to say something to him. तुम क्यों हर बात दिल पर ले लेते हो? Why do you take everything to heart? Why do you take everything to heart? क्या तुम मेरी मदद करोगे उठाने में? Will you help me lift this? Will you help me lift this? मैं फिर से यही गलती नहीं करूँगा. I will not make this mistake again. I will not make this mistake again. तुम मुझे बिना बताए कहाँ चले गए? Where did you go without telling me? Where did you go without telling me? मैं तुम्हारी बात मान लेता हूँ. I will agree with what you say. I will agree with what you say. क्या तुमने ये काम समय पर पूरा किया? Did you finish this work on time? Did you finish this work on time? मुझे उम्मीद है तुम समझ जाओगे. I hope you will understand. I hope you will understand. तुमने उसका नंबर सेव क्यों नहीं किया? Why did not you save his number? Why did not you save his number? मुझे थोड़ा आराम करने दो. Let me rest for a while. Let me rest for a while. मैं तुम्हें बार-बार समझा नहीं सकता. I cannot explain it to you again and again. I cannot explain it to you again and again. मुझे लगता है तुम कुछ छुपा रहे हो. I think you are hiding something. I think you are hiding something. क्या तुम ये दरवाज़ा बंद कर दोगे? Will you close this door? Will you close this door? मैं मेरा फ़ोन कहीं रखकर भूल गया हूँ. I have kept my phone somewhere and forgotten it. I have kept my phone somewhere and forgotten it. क्या तुम मुझे रास्ता दिखा सकते हो? Can you show me the way? Can you show me the way? मैंने इस बार कोई गलती नहीं की. I did not make any mistake this time. I did not make any mistake this time. तुम हमेशा जल्दी में क्यों रहते हो? Why are you always in a hurry? Why are you always in a hurry? मुझे थोड़ा समय चाहिए सोचने के लिए. I need some time to think. I need some time to think. क्या तुम मुझे थोड़ी देर इंतज़ार करवा सकते हो? Can you make me a wait for a while? Can you make me a wait for a while? मैंने तुम्हारे लिए चाय बना दी है. I have made tea for you. I have made tea for you. तुम मुझ पर इतना गुस्सा क्यों हो? Why are you so angry with me? Why are you so angry with me? मुझे नहीं पता था कि ऐसा होगा। I did not know this would happen. I did not know this would happen. मैं आज जल्दी उठ गया था। I woken up early today. I woken up early today. मैंने तुम्हारे लिए दरवाजा खुला छोड़ा था। I had left the door open for you. I had left the door open for you. मैं कल थोड़ा व्यस्त रहूंगा। I will be a bit busy tomorrow. I will be a bit busy tomorrow. तुमने मुझे पहले क्यों नहीं बताया? Why did not you tell me earlier? Why did not you tell me earlier? मुझे तुम्हारी सलाह की जरूरत है। I need your advice. I need your advice. क्या तुमने मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनी? Did you listen to me carefully? Did you listen to me carefully? मुझे यकीन है कि सब ठीक हो जाएगा। I am sure everything will be fine. I am sure everything will be fine. मैंने इस काम में पूरी कोशिश की है। I have tried my best in this task. I have tried my best in this task. क्या तुम मेरे लिए थोड़ा समय निकाल सकते हो? Can you take out a little time for me? Can you take out a little time for me? मुझे तुमसे एक अहम बात करनी है। I need to talk to you about something important. I need to talk to you about something important. तुमने मेरा काम को बहुत आसान बना दिया। You made my work much easier. You made my work much easier. मुझे आज थोड़ी थकान महसूस हो रही है। I am feeling a bit tired today. I am feeling a bit tired today. वो हमेशा लॉजिकल तरीके से सोचता है। He always thinks in a logical way. He always thinks in a logical way. तुमने मेरी बात को बिल्कुल सही समझा। You understood me exactly right. You understood me exactly right. मुझे उसकी बात genuine लगी। I found his words genuine. I found his words genuine. उसने सिचुएशन को unnecessarily complicated बना दिया। He made the situation unnecessarily complicated. He made the situation unnecessarily complicated. मुझे इस काम में ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा। This would not take me much time. This would not take me much time. तुमने सब कुछ बहुत स्मूथली हैंडल किया। You handled everything very smoothly. You handled everything very smoothly. उसने मेरी मेहनत की तारीफ की। He appreciated my hard work. He appreciated my hard work. मुझे उससे कोई शिकायत नहीं है। I have no complaints about him. I have no complaints about him. क्या तुमने मेरी बात सीरियसली ली? Did you take what I said seriously? Did you take what I said seriously? मुझे यहाँ ज़्यादा देर रुकना ठीक नहीं लग रहा। I don't feel right staying here for long. I don't feel right staying here for long. तुमने सिचुएशन को संभाल लिया। You handled the situation. You handled the situation. मुझे उसका हर स्टेप सस्पिशियस लग रहा है। Every step of his feels suspicious to me. Every step of his feels suspicious to me. वो हमेशा दूसरों की फीलिंग की परवाह करता है। He always cares about others' feelings. He always cares about others' feelings. ये बात हमें बाद में डिस्कस करनी चाहिए। We should discuss this later. We should discuss this later. तुम इस चीज को बहुत हल्के में ले रहे हो। You are taking this matter too lightly. You are taking this matter too lightly. उसने मेरी बात का सीधा जवाब नहीं दिया। He did not give me a direct answer. He did not give me a direct answer. मुझे उससे बात करके अच्छा लगा। I felt good talking to him. I felt good to talking to him. मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता तो शांत रहता। If I were in your place, I had stay calm. If I were in your place, I had stay calm. तुम्हें ये बात इतनी जल्दी कैसे पता चली? How did you find out about this so quickly? How did you find out about this so quickly? मुझे उससे ये उम्मीद बिल्कुल नहीं थी। I never expected this from him. I never expected this from him. तुमने मेरी बात को गलत डायरेक्शन में ले लिया। You took my words in the wrong direction. You took my words in the wrong direction. ये मेरे लिए बिल्कुल नया अनुभव है। This is completely new experience for me. This is completely new experience for me. तुम बातों को unnecessarily लंबा कर रहे हो। You are dragging the matter unnecessarily. You are dragging the matter unnecessarily. मुझे उसके जवाब का इंतज़ार था। I was waiting for his reply. I was waiting for his reply. तुमने मेरी एक भी बात नहीं सुनी। You did not listen to a single thing I said. You did not listen to a single thing I said. मुझे उसकी नीयत पर शक हो रहा है। I am doubting his intentions. I am doubting his intentions. मैं अभी इस बारे में फैसला नहीं कर सकता। I cannot make a decision about this right now. I cannot make a decision about this right now. तुमने ये बात पहले क्यों नहीं बताई? Why did not you tell this earlier? Why did not you tell this earlier?